Hi, this is Doug. I want to show you how to use Blackboard Collaborate if you want to participate in an office hours session. First thing you do is go down to Tools and then click the Blackboard Collaborate button. It will show one or more sessions. If there's a purple dot in front of the session, it means that you can run that session at the time. Now I'm using a temporary session here for the demo. Normally you'll use the office hours session when it has a purple dot available. So I'm going to click the session and then click Join Room. And if it's the first time you're running Collaborate, you'll have to click Save File and click that file to execute it and install it on your computer. If you've done it before, you can just click Open with Blackboard Launcher, and I'll click OK. And then it comes up with a Run button that you have to click, at least on Windows. And after a while, it comes up with a little window that shows you the steps it's taking in logging into the Blackboard system. Now, when you get into the Blackboard system, there's a few things to notice. First of all, there's a set of windows on the left. The top window is the audio video window. We'll just be using audio most of the time. There are sliders for your microphone and your speaker volume. There are buttons for talk and video. To talk on your microphone, you'll click the button and then click it off when you stop talking. Next, there are participants. In this case, you're the lower participant, the preview user, and I'm logged in on another computer as the moderator for this. Finally, there's a chat window. All of these windows can be moved around and resized, but I'll leave that there for now. It's important that you check your audio settings using the little wizard. Click the little microphone with the red wheel on it up here, and it's going to take you through some steps to check your speakers and your microphone for volume. So I'm using a Realtek speakers here. I click OK, click play, and now it's going to make some noise. And if it's okay, click stop and click yes if you could hear it. If not, click no or move your slider up a little bit. So I could hear it fine. Next thing for a microphone, if you don't want to use or don't have a microphone, you can use chat, or you can phone in using a number on the either using my phone number. You can call me on a cell phone or at my work, or you can use a number provided when you log in that lets you connect as if you were using a microphone. So I'm going to click OK, click record, say something, blah, 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 stop, play it back,
say something, blah, blah, blah.
and if it's okay, then click yes. Okay, it's important that you at least have speakers available. You can get by without a microphone if you have to. Okay, those are the windows on the left here. The first thing you see when you open up is a whiteboard. We don't use it very much, but you can do things like draw in it and type text. So if you click the little A, click the big A, and when you click in the window, you can type, "Here is some text." Now, when you hit enter, I see it on my window as well, okay? I can go over to my window. Here, whoops, wrong keyboard. Here is some more. And when I hit enter, then you see it, okay? You can zoom in to show the page larger and so forth. You can highlight things, and when you hit delete, they go away. All right. Now you can drop photos and images and things in here if you want. The next thing that we're going to talk about is sharing applications. So the second button over is application sharing. Now I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to click application sharing, and I'll go ahead and share my desktop. And now you can see my desktop, and I can move this thing, whoops, move this window over out of the way. And I can bring up something like Word, and you should be able to see the Word file. And I can type things, is Word, like that. Now you can annotate, no, you can't. I'm sorry, that's in the whiteboard. So this is a way that we can share documents. If you want to share something, I need to turn off my sharing. So I'm going to click Tools, Stop Sharing. And then what you need to do, go back to the whiteboard and then click Sharing. And now you can share your desktop. For some reason, if you have Word open, sometimes it opens Word, sometimes it shows it here, sometimes it doesn't. So go ahead and click Share Desktop. And now I can see your desktop on my computer. And if you wanted to work in Word, you can do things in Word, and I'll be able to see them on my computer. Now, this is how we would run an office hour session. We would share documents and talk about them, things like that. So if you want to try this, please do. To exit Blackboard, all you have to do is click the little red X. Do you want to leave the session? Click yes, and now you're back to the join room. I mentioned the participant phone. The number is over here on the right. If you dial that and then give it this little key, this little pin, you can use your phone as if it were a microphone dialing into Blackboard. I've never really tried that, but it's something that we can use if need be. So thank you, and if you have questions, email me.